Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Northwest Community Credit Union step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your income sources. List all your sources of income for a clear picture of your total earnings. Next, gather your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses like rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Once you have your income and expenses outlined, calculate your net income. This is done by subtracting your total expenses from your total income. Now, categorize your expenses based on needs and wants. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Then, allocate a portion of your budget for savings. Aim to save at least 20% of your income if possible. Create a budget plan using a spreadsheet or budgeting app. This will help you visualize your finances and track your spending. Set specific limits for each category of your expenses. Try to stick to these limits throughout the month. Monitor your spending regularly. Review your budget weekly to see where you stand. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending habits. Consider using Northwest Community Credit Union's financial tools and resources. These can help you better manage your budgeting efforts. If you find yourself going over budget, identify the reasons. Make adjustments to either your spending or income as needed. Finally, review and adjust your budget monthly. This allows you to accommodate changes in your financial situation. By following these steps, you can create a sustainable budget that works for you. With discipline and consistency, you'll be on your way to financial stability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.